quick look around here. We're heading into Zion National Park. We're going to the visitor center and get whatever information we can, and then kind of play it by ear then. About 20 after 1 right now. Man, look at that up there. Wow. Just drove through Springdale. The entrance of the park is going to be right up here. And that's the beginning of the park there. Straight ahead. Look at that. Wow. Well, I would think it'd be there. Yeah, here's the Zion National Park. Okay, we just got parked here at the visitor center in the Zion National Park. Hey, check that out. Look at that. Oh, wow. Okay. I saw this. It says start here. Okay, we'll do that then. Even got signs to kind of give you what direction the things are. Yeah, wow, this is pretty cool. Okay, the visitor center, and looking at this, they have these little sections here that underneath each of those there's like information. So you got several of them right here in this area. You were here, so Zion in less than 3 hours. You look, and here's that one right here. See, it was less than 3 hours. And there they got. Whoops, I'm standing in the. See, they got information for. Yeah, cool. So if you got that much time, they got everything's. All the information that you'd need. And there's another place over there. You've got different. Let's go take a look at that. This one is more than 3 hours. So yeah, isn't that is so cool how they did that? Wow, man alive, a lot of planning went into this. It's cool. Over here they're working on, look at, there it is, a trail over there. They're kind of going along the river, it looks like. I probably would have gone onto that, but it's like they got it closed, I think, at least right here. There we go, the visitor center, Zion National Park. It looks like right around here. That tower there is a heating and cooling tower. It heats during the winter and cools during the summer. I'll go show how that works over here. There's a little plaque over here. Okay. Wind, water, and sunlight. Cool visitor center in summer. Solar walls heat in winter. So here's how it works. Heating. Okay, and then we can see how that works. See how the summer sun comes down as opposed to the winter sun. And then summertime they have water-soaked baffles. That cools the interior. Oh, that's so cool. Wow. And that's what those two towers are for. Man, that's neat. It's a ringtail. Yeah, through this area right here around the visitor center, they have these little statues or sculptures, you want to call them. This looks like that one. Here's another one here. Yeah, the bird. That one's a canyon wren. There's a turtle over there. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, the construction over there. Yeah, I'm at the other end of that trail. You know, I was down at the other end there that I showed earlier. Here, it is closed. They are doing the work on it. Here's a map. See, I'm right here right now. That's the trail. I would have gone on that today if it would have been open, but but they're doing work on it. That's all right. That's good though. Winter is the time to do it when they're able to. Walking around over here now. You see the visitor center is right over there. Whoops, right there. The picnic area is over in this section here. See, there's picnic tables. There's a campground over here too, but I think that's closed for the season. Here's one of the picnic tables here, and that's the entrance to the campground. They call it the Watchman Campground. This is all in the area right next to the visitor center. Well, maybe it is open. I think I see a tent way over there. I can see the fifth wheel there. Is that a tent? Huh. Yeah, I don't know. I don't see why it would not be open because it's plenty nice out, I think.